Hello, namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about how can IPS and IDS protect your network from attacks. IPS and IDS stand for Intrusion Prevention System and Intrusion Detection System. When any person is just trying to enter on our network, okay, without our permission or without having any authority to enter on our system, that means he or she is intrude, and they are trying to violate the security of our system and trying to get unauthorized access on our resources. To protect such kind of persons, such kind of traffic which are not authorized to have access on our resources, we can detect them and we can protect with the help of IDS and IPS. So let's see how they can protect us from different cyber attacks. There is a company network, okay, and we are having multiple resources inside, and we don't want anyone who is on the outside network, say for example on internet, okay, and here is a person who wants to get access on our internal resource, okay, and we are having a web server which is accessible to all which are coming from the outside world, but this is a part of our network. So we placed that web server on the demilitarized zone, so that only outside world is having access only on this web server, no entry on this network which is inside. Clear? So how just we can do it? IPS, intrusion prevention system, which is or IDS, both are using database, okay, that's called signature, okay. So they are having signature database, which is the information about the known attack, which are the known attacks that already happened. If some kind of attack that's related to those known attack, if any kind of traffic or that attack will try to enter on our system, before giving entry in our network, it will just check against these signatures, okay. If they will find yes, this type of traffic match with the signature which are I'm having, and whatever the actions allocated for such kind of traffic, say for example we are saying deny, so no entry to such traffic, deny that traffic not to enter in our network. Clear? And what the role of then IDS, intrusion detection system, that generally we don't place inline, and IPS we place inline, means whatever the traffic will pass through, first it will check by it and then it will give entry inside the network. Understand? So IPS can take an action. First of all, it will analyze yes, this traffic is legitimate, or and this traffic is related to any kind of attack. Okay. And when it will find yes, this is the traffic that's related to an attack, then block it or deny it, okay. So it will just drop it, and IDS will just only detect. Here it will just monitor the traffic. For example, a copy of that traffic will send to the IDS, and this is observe the traffic, yes, that is the traffic is malicious or normal traffic, legitimate traffic is legitimate traffic, pass it. If they will find yes, that traffic match with the attack, whatever the pattern has been configured or what we need to look such kind of attack, and if that match exists here, it will just send an alarm or send some message, yes, this type of traffic the I have detected in our network. Okay, so it will just only detect, no, it will not blocking it. So human intervention required in case of IDS to just drop such kind of traffic, to deny that traffic, it will just monitor it. But IPS, it can take actions, it can decide, yes, this traffic we have to block. Okay, so IDS and IPS, when we are using in our network, they can perform such type of filtration which can uh, separate the legitimate traffic from the attacking traffic. Okay, and it can protect the multiple kind of attack. Clear? Nowadays there are a lot of next generation firewalls which are also including having the functionality of the IPS and IDS and the firewalls and multi more things. Clear? So IDS and IPS we can use to protect our network from the multiple kind of attacks. Okay, and you can follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next session, and also share that video with your friends in the groups, so that they will also be able to understand what is the role of IDS and IPS in our network from protecting multiple kind of cyber attacks. And in the next session I will discuss about what is the role of physical security in 2020. Namaste. See you in the next session.